Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the Weather Forecast Center. Yes, it has been a while. My full time job has been wreaking havoc with my um, video schedule due to um, people not showing up and all that. Um, Little background on what I do. I am a inventory auditor um, for retail stores, and I have a set start time, but I don't have an end time. So I've put in some long hours in the last several weeks. So my apologies to the lateness of this next video, but I'm here to give you details on a potential severe weather um, for tomorrow night going into Friday. Um, I've been looking at various different uh, simulation radars and everything, and this is not going to be the main show. There's something I am looking at further down the road that could be substantial. I will highlight that later. But but this is for tomorrow. I have started this for tomorrow morning. As we go forward, um, get my pen here, see if it works. Yes, it does. So at trying to do my math, about 6 a.m. there'll be kind of scattered showers and thunderstorms here in southeastern Kansas and northeastern Oklahoma. This is in association with a possible warm front that will be draped across this area and moving to the north and east um, during the morning hours. As I uh, as I move this forward, begins to develop a couple of nice, healthy clusters of thunderstorms here. Um, Not anticipating any severe weather with these in the morning, but in case you do come under a warning, know where to go when that comes up. Okay, um, but they should be tamed. So they will weaken through through the afternoon, and this is when it's going to start. So here in Missouri, has some supercell thunderstorms beginning to develop here. Um, Large hail and damaging winds will be the primary threat with those as they begin. As we move forward, those those head off to the north and east. Now you got another set of storms developing in southwestern Iowa and northwestern Missouri. Also supercellular in nature. continuing to move north and east and out of Missouri. As we continue, we go 1 hour. This is 8 o'clock tomorrow or 7 o'clock central. So these storms start to cluster up, all with potential of large hail and damaging winds with these. And then you see these down here. These are the beginning seedlings of more thunderstorms developing in Kansas. Go to the next hour and they fire right up. There's two bands. There's this one here and this one basically over Kansas City. These could be supercellular in nature. These could be supercellular in nature. Again, this is not a forecast. This is what the radar could look like um, tomorrow evening. And these showers and storms here have just clustered into a big mass of showers and thunderstorms capable of producing large hail and damaging wind. Now, there are some beans, what I like to call them, here in western Illinois. Those could have large hail and damaging winds as they move to the east. So as we continue forward, they quickly grow into a line here in Kansas. This is your main front back here. With these showers and storms up here in northern Iowa, they should be more tamed. But these here in front, here and down here, are the ones we got to look for potential severe weather tomorrow. Large hail and damaging wind. Can't rule out an isolated tornado, even though that is by the SBC, that is not likely, but you can um, never rule them out in this situation. And as we continue to go on, this is 6Z, which is 2 a.m. Basically, a big line of showers and thunderstorms in northern Missouri, all the way up into northwestern Illinois, with some beans here to the south, again capable of producing large hail and damaging wind. And then as we continue forward, they start to weaken into the morning hours. So severe thunderstorm potential late Thursday night into early Friday morning for the Midwest. Thunderstorms begin to develop around 19Z, beginning in northern Missouri. Some supercells possible, capable of large hail and damaging winds. By 23Z, which is 6 p.m. Central, thunderstorms will develop in southwest Iowa. Those could contain some supercells possible. Some supercells are possible, capable of producing large hail and damaging winds. As those begin to cluster in Iowa heading east, a new batch of possible supercell thunderstorms develop in northeastern Kansas at 8 p.m. Central. Those will begin to be linear in nature and are capable of large hail and damaging winds. These thunderstorms will move to the east southeast through the night. Isolated tornadoes cannot be ruled out, and all storms will diminish by Friday morning. So these will be out of the. This will be a quick, you know, Thursday late afternoon through the evening into early Friday morning, and they'll be out of everyone's hair. Again, isolated tornadoes cannot be ruled out. Um, if there's any change, I will be sure to let y'all know. So I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday evening, and I will talk to you again soon.